Do you have teeth problems? Fear of losing them? Pain at the gum line? Worried about your bad breath? You might have tried and failed medical toothpaste and pills. Your dentist are probably out of the question. So you are looking for answer as a way to end the pain, itchy and bad taste in mouth. Plus the fear of how you are looking. And having bad breath and teeth. Wish you had healthy gums and teeth? Scientists at the National Institute of Dental Research have invented a powerful sour liquid that can regrow teeth and gums almost overnight. This liquid can reach deep inside the gum pockets and between your teeth. All you have to do is swish this sour liquid in your mouth for 20 seconds, before you go to bed. Learn more by clicking on the link. Your gums and teeth will be regenerated, even if you have been fighting decay and inflammation for 5, 10 or even 20 years. Start with new gums today. Just click link to learn more.